Okay, for level 13, help the frogs find their lily pads using all the three things that we've been talking about. So straight off the bat, I can see that they need to probably be centered. I can see that they're in the wrong order. The red's at the end, where the red's lily pad is the first one. So that's going to have to be reversed. And the other thing is they're at the top, they need to be at the bottom. So if I can find some combination there, so let's start with justify content and that needs to be centered. It's not working yet, but they'll be centered soon, maybe when the others kick in. Flex direction, as I said, the red's not in last place, it needs to be first. Um, so row reverse that one. There we go. Now they're right. They just need to make the leap all the way down the bottom of the screen now. We've done that a few times in previous. That's flex end, and there we are.